Hello friends, so we'll be trying to solve this query today. So we have to find the customers who placed maximum number of orders each month. So this is the source table that we have, and we can see these columns: order ID, customer ID, and the date on which the order is placed. So what we have to do here, for each month we have to find the ID of that customer who placed the maximum number of orders. So here we can see order date. We have to check based on the month of this order. So let me just first order it by order date. So that way it will be clear. So here you can see this is the order date. So this is the month. 01 is the month of this order date. So what we have to do as a final answer for this first month, we have to find the customer who placed maximum number of orders. So if we see for this date where the month is 01, we can see customer ID 1 has placed two orders and customer ID 2 and 3 they have placed one order each. So that means for this order date where the month is 01, customer ID 1 placed maximum number of orders. So for this combination, the customer ID will be 1. Similarly, for this order dates where the month is 2, we can see that customer ID 2 has placed three orders. So for this month 2, customer ID 2 will be the output because it placed three orders, which is more than customer ID 4 and 3. And similarly for month 3, there is just one order. So this customer ID 1 will be the output. So first thing that we have to do is we have to extract the month out of this order date. So let me just put this as select star and then date part, month from order date as mth. Let me name it as mth from customer order. So this date part function will give us the month. So 01 is month, 02 is month, and 03 is month. So there can be different function in different version of SQL or MySQL. Here we can use date part. So now we have this date, a month from this date. Now what we will do first, for each customer, we will see how many orders the particular customer placed in each month. This will be our first step. So for each customer, we will count the number of orders that they have placed in any particular month, and then we will see for which month the maximum orders were placed by which customer. So let's go step by step. What I will do here, I will put customer ID, month we have already find out, and then I will put count of order ID from customer order, and then we have to put group by on these two non-aggregated columns. So let's see what is the output till now. So we have customer ID, then the month and the number of orders. Let me put it as number of order as number of order. So if we see this month, which is 1, we can see the number of orders placed by each customer. So just have a look at this month 1 records. These are the customer ID. So customer ID 1 placed two orders in month 1. Customer ID 2 placed one order in month 1, and customer ID 3 placed one order in month 1. So which customer placed maximum orders in first month? This customer ID. So that is what we have to find. Find the customers who placed maximum number of orders each month. So for month 1, who placed maximum orders? Customer ID 1. For month 2, who placed maximum number of orders? 3, which is customer ID 2. And for 3, customer ID 1. So till now, we have the number of orders for each customer for each month. Now on that, we will just put a rank function in the same query. No need to put another query. Rank over. Now we have to rank these values for each month. So for each month, we have to put rank on these values. So we have to do partition by on this month. So partition by month and order by on this number of orders, which is count of order ID and descending, because we have to find maximum orders as the first rank. And let me put as RK. So now you see we have customer ID, month, and the number of orders. So if we just see this month one, we can see maximum number of order is 2, which is by customer ID 1. So rank is 1. For month 2, maximum number of orders is 3, which is by customer 2, hence rank 1. And for month 3, there is just one record. So we have all the details. What we have to do, we have to just see those records where rank is 1. So just put with CTES select star from CTE where RK equal to 1. So this will give me all the details, customer ID, month number and number of orders. Now here we can just remove the rank. We can just put customer ID, month and number of order. So we have these details. So for month 1, customer ID placed maximum number of orders, which is 2. For month 2, customer ID 2 placed maximum number of orders, which is number 3, 3 orders. And for month 3, customer ID 1 placed 1 order because there is just one entry for month 3. So this is how we can solve this kind of question. So you can see we have used two calculations in one query. One was a simple aggregation, hence a group by was there, and then the rank function, which is window function. And inside this window function, we are using this aggregation. Hence, this rank is also working within the same query along with group by. So this is how we can solve this kind of question.